Black Bear Family Farms, and it is a windy day. The winds just started a few hours ago. We're gonna get a little snow, but these winds here in Idaho are quite impressive, I must say. They really scare me. If I was back in New York, I'd be in the basement sometimes. But at least it's not snowing yet. We're supposed to get maybe an inch or so today. But oh gosh, these winds are quite strong, and they really ripped up the greenhouse. Let me show you. How are you today? Well, not much to show you except the wind has really picked up today. It's really bad. Hopefully you can hear me. It is really strong out here. The snow is actually getting really soft, but this is not good. I have to show you. If I can get over here without sinking, the back end is totally ripped off of the greenhouse. The top is now. I'll go inside and show you. So this is what the greenhouse looks like from the inside. This whole back end is ripped out. Oh boy. This is what I was hoping we could hold off. This wind is not helping. I'm gonna go get Ben and see if we can pull some of this over and staple it down, especially since we have this wind. We want to keep this together as long as we can until it starts to melt and we can get the new one on, because we're just getting water inside and I don't want things to get ruined. But yeah, not good. Let me see what we can do. Stapling up the back because the winds have just really picked up today. We'll see if we can salvage the greenhouse long enough till we get to spring. Well, that looks a lot better. Now let's see if we can do something with the top. The wind in Idaho, it can be awful as it is right now. Let's fix the best we can for tonight. Hopefully the wind won't tear it up again tomorrow or overnight. It usually stops around 7-ish, but we'll see about tonight. So we do have good news. We have eggs. They're starting to lay. We've got about 10 today, 14 yesterday. So this is good news. We just now have to fix the greenhouse. We do have other good news. The snow levels are dropping. That means it's melting. We had a few nice days. So we're hoping we can eventually get out to the big greenhouse where we can actually put some stuff maybe in March and get some things planted.